So, TikTok is one of the most popular applications that are available right now, and you might be trying to figure out how to use this particular application. Now, I will give you a quick breakdown from front to back on exactly how to use it. It's not anything super crazy, and you probably already know how to use this app if you've used any other application for the most part. As always, the first thing you want to do is install the app. You want to make your way over to your App Store, your Google Play Store, whatever you have, and you want to search up TikTok. Now, it should be available in your country. If it's not, it might be banned. So it's really like hit or miss for you. But you can see right here, I do have this particular application installed. You should probably update it, but I'm not going to waste your time in updating the application right now. Now, this is what the app icon looks like. As soon as you open up, you should either be presented into the actual TikTok page, or most likely you'll be asked to log in. I've already logged in and created an account, so you might as well go through, just create the account and kind of go from there. Now, this is a fairly brand new account. I haven't really done anything with this account at all. At the very top, you'll see a couple of icons. You'll see a live icon, which this will basically show you all the TikTok lives going on right now. You'll see an explore icon, which is just your explore page. There's a lot of different TikToks and stuff you can kind of find. The following page will showcase all the TikToks that basically people are posting that you follow. So all the accounts you follow and everything, and I'll show you how to go through that in a second. TikTok Shop is a new one. It's basically a massive just list of things that you can basically buy on TikTok now. So it is a very interesting concept for them to kind of throw in. I think it's a good idea, I guess, but just one of those things they kind of threw in. And then the For You page is basically all the TikToks that are for you. So it's just a page that you can just kind of swipe through. And then you have the search bar at the very top right, which this will allow you to go and search for different things all across TikTok. So you can search for a specific user, you can search for whatever you want to search for, and those things will come up right onto this particular page, which is pretty cool. Now, hopping back out, we'll just kind of go through most of these pages. So if we started the Explore page, right? This is, again, just a page of all the cool little things going on within TikTok. So you can just go through, and if there's a TikTok that means a lot to you, you can click on it and open it. And that's really it. It's nothing super crazy. The following page is, like I said before, all the users that you're following. They'll basically come through, show you a list of all the videos and stuff that are coming through with your following list. And there's not really much you have to do here. It's basically the same old, same old. So it's just like the For You page, just for your particular following list. TikTok Shop, again, if you want to buy something, if there's a particular thing you want to buy, you can go through that within this particular page. And then at the very end, at the For You page is one of the most popular pages out there, which allows you to basically go through and just kind of buy, or just see what TikToks are going on and everything. And it is a cool little page. I like going through and kind of seeing what's available. But that's another thing you have the option of doing too. Now, at the very bottom of this page, you have a couple other things going on too. So if you look at a TikTok, right, you'll see a couple of things. This is the main splash screen. Now, this is a profile icon of this particular user. So if you want to quickly jump into the profile, you can just tap up there in the top left or top right, and you should then be able to see all the TikToks that are available from this particular user. And this is my other account that I basically have. And these TikToks are actually doing pretty well right now, which is kind of crazy. I wasn't expecting that. But this is the other option that you essentially have. Then at the same time, you have a like button right below that TikTok too. So if you want to, you can like this TikTok, and that's another thing you can do. Now, when you like it, you'll see a repost button come up at the bottom left. So all you have to do here is, if you want to repost it and you want other people to see it, you can tap on repost, and that will allow you to allow others to basically see your TikTok within this particular page too. So it's almost like a retweet or something, but you're just reposting it on your particular story or your particular account. Now, if you want to leave a comment, you can always come into the comment section right here, and you can leave any sort of comment that you want to. You can also leave mentions. You can leave an emoji reaction if you want to. There's a lot of interesting stuff here that you have for the most part. So that is another option that you essentially have here. You can always just go through and leave a comment, and you can react to comments and so many other things across the board here. So that's another option that you basically have within this particular page too. You have a bookmark or a saved option too, which is there. You can share this particular TikTok app by clicking on share and sharing it to any other person. You can see their music account or whatever, like there's a song associated with it. And you'll see a description of their particular account, the video at the very bottom here too. Now you can also click on full screen. If you want to full screen a video, you can tap into there and you can see this video in full screen, which is actually very cool. That's another cool thing going on here too. You can also tap on the back button right up there, and you'll come back into your normal page right here. You can pause the video by tapping on pause, and if some videos support it, you can actually sync through a video and fast forward and unfast forward a video by just tapping through here and just kind of going through that direction too. So that's another option you have, and you can pause the video by tapping on pause. Now, if you want to get into that user's account, you can swipe to the side, and like I said before, you can see all their TikToks. You can follow a person. You can also see their viewer count and viewership and everything. You can also click on message if you want to. You can send this person a message or a very described one right here. So you have that type of capability too, and you can just go through and just keep doing this over and over again. And if the person allows you to message them, you have that option too, which is very cool. Now at the very bottom, there's a couple other things going on. So you have your home page right here. You have your friends page, which is just if you have friends or contacts, you'll see their TikToks right here. If you want to kind of break it down a little bit further, specifically for your contacts, you have the plus button, an inbox button for messages and notifications, and then my profile icon. So anything associated with my profile or anything, I can do that within this particular page. So I can just go through and see my own profile and kind of configure out further. I can edit my profile and click on share profile. That's top if I want to share my profile out. I can also tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here and access my creator tools, my QR code, my balance, and even settings and privacy. So you can go through here and just view and monitor your settings if you want to change any settings or anything like that. You do have that type of capability here too. So you can easily just go through and edit and modify any of this information right here too. So you have that type of capability, which is honestly very awesome. Hopping back out, the last thing you may want to be doing on TikTok is actually posting. So to post on TikTok is very basic. You can click on the plus button at the very bottom right here, and you'll come into your TikTok page. You want to allow your microphone and all this other stuff that they ask for. But then what you can do is you can start posting on TikTok. So it completely is up to you whatever you want to post. So if I wanted to just hold this down and if I wanted to start recording, you can see it'll start recording and it'll start showing an indicator around the side. So now I can just kind of keep going and keep posting videos or TikToks, whatever I want to do. If I want to go back, I can click back. There are lots and lots of things that you can do here. I mean, I can make a video just of this in and of itself. So at the very bottom, you can either choose camera or you can choose templates. So if there's another template that you want to create or you want to find, you can find them via this templates page. You can also click on effects at the bottom left. If you want to just go ahead and find an effect panel, or if you want to change something, you have that type of capability here too. So you can upload a photo by using this upload photo button. And there's a lot of other things you can do here too. So there's just not just one thing. There's like lots and lots of different effects. You can also flip the camera around if you want to, going the other way. So you can search for different effects. And I mean, the list is endless. You can do anything you really want to within this particular page. So that's another thing. And then whenever you're ready, you can start filming the TikToks and posting them. And that's another thing you can do as well. Now, the big thing I would also tell you is to be careful. You want to, if you're posting on TikTok, make sure you know what you're doing. If you want to, there's obviously guidelines within TikTok as well. So I'd recommend following those guidelines because that's a big thing because you can get your account banned and people get their accounts banned on TikTok all the time. Finally, the big thing, just like how we started this video, I would recommend every once in a while you to go back into your App Store or Google Play Store and update the TikTok application. So like I said, if your TikTok app is completely outdated, you may be missing out on some security features and some features in general. So you may just want to go ahead and just get used to updating your particular application as often as you can, because that would probably give you the best experience on your TikTok application for the most part. So that is at a high level essentially how to use TikTok on your particular phone in 2024. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.